Good morning students, I am Sadia Akhtar, a teacher of Delhi World Public School Kalyani. I welcome you all to another English class. Today's topic is negative sentences. Now before we begin, let us first see what is a negative sentence. What is a negative sentence? A negative sentence is a sentence that has not or no in it. A negative sentence contains a not or a no in the sentence. A negative sentence simply states that something is not true or incorrect. Now, there are certain rules which we can follow to create a negative sentence, to form a negative sentence. Let us look at those rules. Now, let us read the rules one by one. The first rule to make a negative sentence or to change a positive sentence into negative is we write not after the verb when the verb has am, are or is. Now when a sentence has a helping verb like are, am or is, we write the word not just after the helping verb to make it a negative sentence. The second rule, not after the first word when the verb has more than one word. Now suppose if a sentence has two verbs, that is more than one verb. So in that case we will add the not after the first verb, after the helping verb. Okay, we will add not between the two verbs, that is the helping verb and the main verb, to make it a negative sentence. In third case, don't before the sentence when it is an imperative sentence. Now if a sentence is imperative sentence, in that case what do we do? To make it a negative sentence, we add don't in the beginning of the sentence. Okay, so what are the rules of changing a sentence into a negative one? First, we add not just after the helping verb if the sentence has only one verb. Secondly, if the sentence has two verbs, we write the word not after the first verb. And if a sentence is an imperative sentence, then we write the word don't in the beginning of the sentence. Now let us see one by one the examples. Now keeping the rules in mind, we will solve these examples one by one. So let us see the first example. Jenny is fat. In this sentence we have one helping verb, that is. So as per the rule, if we have one verb, okay, and that is, am or are, then we will place the not right after the verb. So to change this into a negative sentence, what we will do? We will just add not after is. So if we add not here, we change this sentence into a negative sentence. Now the answer is Jenny is not fat. Coming to the next one, your brothers are lazy. In this example also, we will see that there is only one verb, that is helping verb are. So what we will do? Yes, correct. We will place the not after this helping verb, not. So this way we have changed this sentence also into a negative sentence. Your brothers are not lazy. The third example, Bill has learned to type. Now in this sentence, in the third sentence, we will find that there are two verbs, has learned. Now when we know that when there are two verbs, what we will do? We will place the not right after the first verb. So this is the first verb. We will place the not after this. And this way we can change it into a negative sentence. That is, Bill has not learned to type. Similarly, coming to the next one, you can leave the children alone. In this sentence also we find two verbs, can, leave. Now to change this into a negative sentence, we will also here add not after can. So what is the answer? You cannot leave the children alone. So this way we have changed this positive sentence into a negative one. Now I told you that when we have an imperative sentence, what are we going to do to change it into a negative sentence? As per the rule, we place the word don't before the first word. Like in the beginning of the sentence only, drink water. How can we change this? We will just add don't before drink. Don't drink water. Or we can also say do not drink water. And this way we can change this into a negative sentence. Till now we have learned that how can we use not in the sentence to make it negative. But we also know that we can use the word no to make a sentence into a negative. So how can you make a sentence into a negative by using the word no? In sentences like this, there are eggs in the basket. So in sentences of this kind, we use the word no, where after the helping verb. There are no eggs in the basket. Why? Because here when you have a noun phrase after the verb, then you use the word no to change the sentence into a negative sentence. So students, we have come to the end of this class. I hope you all have understood the rules of changing a sentence into a negative sentence, and I hope you will practice this at home. I will meet you again in your next class. Till then, bye bye.